Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to take a look and unbox the ZGMF-X666S Legend Gundam. This is the new one that they just released from Bandai. It's a revamp in the Seed Freedom kit style of construction. I've seen really good videos on this already come out of Japan and things like that, and some other places like Thailand and things like that, where I know other builders who get this stuff a little faster than we do. I got this here last month sometime. It did come in. It came in when I ordered my MGSD Destiny that I just finished up. So I got it from Hong Kong, so I did get it early, but I just haven't had a lot of time to build with all the things going on in my family and medical things going on with my father. So today we're going to take a look at this. We're going to unbox it. We have this beautiful artwork on the box. You see the Destiny in the back, and there's all sorts of stuff going on. All the funnels are going everywhere, or whatever. I think that's what they still call them, or you can correct me if I'm wrong down below. I can't remember what they call these. They're not bits, funnels. It'll come to me. Anyways, whatever. The things that shoot off the backpack. Anyways, here's the side of the box. Try and get it in frame here. Try and maybe move my light a little bit, if maybe you guys can see a little better. See if I turn this light on, if that helps. That just washes it out more. Okay, well, anyways, I'm really having a struggle with my lighting when I'm filming here, guys. I'm sorry when I'm doing boxes, because everything glares off of them. All my lights do. But anyways, we have some really cool artwork on the box, on the front, and then on the sides is the same artwork. But on this side here, it's showing a painted version. And then it tells you all about the weapon systems. You can get some stands. The Witch from Mercury stands work with this, I guess. They're not included, unfortunately. This kit should have had a stand. I do have one. I will put it up on at the end after I get it built and show it off in the next video. But, we have a gun, a beam rifle. Looks like 2 beam sabers, the beam shield, and all the bit things, or the funnels, or whatever they're called, off the backpack. And this side has art on it again, and this side here also has art on it again, but it has the story stuff on it there. If you want to pause it and read it, you can. This looks like it's a CGI render. It's pretty nice looking. Anyways, all the warnings and all that stuff. I have a box that's upside down now. And we'll turn it back around, and let's open it up. Take the top off and set it off to the side. Alright, the top bag. We do have a sticker wheel. Here we go. Let me get some light back over here. You'll be able to see a little better here. And I'll turn this light here on, and there we go. And now you can see the sticker wheel. It's not a big sticker wheel. It looks like it's for the rifle mostly, and the eyes and the sensors. I think pretty much this is mostly color correct. There might just be a little bit of detail you have to do. Alright, so first bag, we have, looks like parts for the legs and parts for the gun, and the beam shield is on there, and it has that translucent pearlescent coating on it too. I don't know if you can see that when I move it like that or not. Alright, so head was on there also. This is parts for the backpack. The backpack does split in 2. There's the V-fin, the collar. So the eyes and head are in this turquoise-ish blue color, and it's kind of nice, except for the fact the black's not around it. So I don't know how well that would. You'd probably have to paint that if you wanted to use it. Just like how it is, otherwise, you know. Alright, so in this bag here, we have a runner of dark blue parts. They're kind of like a navy blue. Real nice chest area, arms, parts for the head. things like that. Red, I think we'll have 2 of these D1 runners. There'll be a D1 and a D2. That has the feed on it. More parts for the funnels and the vents for the backpack. Looks like this bag here does have that second runner in it. So here we go. It's basically the same runner. I think it has the chest parts and the waist parts on it is what's different about it. Effect parts. These here clip onto these and you can fold them, and I'll show you at the end. The beam saber blades are really nice and kind of real thin in the end, so that's pretty nice. They've been doing a lot of really nice effect parts lately with kits, it seems. Like the MGSD Destiny, it had a bunch. Excuse me. I had a part come off my runner. I dropped this part off this runner here. It would be the number 1 part off of here. This B1. So be careful when you take yours out of the bag if you get this kit. All I did was take that out and it just come off. So, all right. So set that aside. This looks like frame parts. Hand. It has a nice open expressive hand here, if you can see that. And it looks like 2 fists and parts for the gun. And that's pretty much what's in that bag there. This is a decent sized kit. I think the backpack makes it a little bit bigger than some of the other HG kits. So this is more funnels and looks like skirting and arm pieces. And then we have more frame parts here. Looks like for the arms and the legs and the chest, and parts for maybe the waist and maybe the backpack. I don't know, these might be for the backpack. Okay, so, and then we're down to just the manual. So here's the manual. Let me turn this light off. There we go. You'll be able to actually see it. It just has a picture of the painted kit on the front. And we're going to open it up. And we're right into the backpack. There on that page, here's our parts list. Let me see if I can get that where you can see. It doesn't look like there's any parts we're not going to use. And I don't see anything X'd out, so that means this is a 100% new kit. There's nothing reused. And it's just going to fold out like this. It's going to start with the head, the chest, arms, legs, more legs, waist. Get into the side skirts in the backpack and the rest of the backpack here. And then on the back, we don't have a lot on the back. It's just showing a couple images. These might be the kit and they might be CGI. I'm not real sure. It's kind of hard to tell. I think this might be a painted kit and that might be a painted kit also, but there is CGI down here on the bottom. And there's, you can read that if you want. There's the colors that they recommend for the paint guide. This tells about the weapons up here. There's English and Japanese. And shows how you can use the Witch from Mercury stands to hold all the bits with the effect parts on them up. And there's a little bit more there. And like I said, there's the story again. If you want to pause it and read it, you can. And that's that. Alright, well, that's going to be it for this video. It's just short unboxing. I have a real long week ahead of me. I'm going to try and get this built up, and probably just going to panel line it and do some little brush detailing on it. I don't think this is going to be a fully painted kit. We'll have to see in the long run. But anyways, I want to say thank you to each and every one of my subscribers. I want to thank you for sticking around with me through all this that I'm going through with my father. A little bit on my father. He's 82 years old and he was diagnosed with 2 different types of cancer and he's going to be starting chemotherapy this week, and I'm the only one that drives and can take him to his appointments and everything. So it's going to be a lot for me. It's an everyday to the hospital for chemotherapy for a week out of every month, and then we're not sure what else. And then every Monday of every week he has to go back to the same place and have blood drawn and see if he needs a transfusion or not. So it's going to be a lot, but we're going to get through it. And I just want to say thank you again for sticking around and being a subscriber and watching these videos and understanding why I'm splitting these videos up into 2 sections. That way I can still get a video out. It's not as much on me, and you guys are still going to get some content, at least more than you would if it was just 1 video a month or something. So, okay, well, anyways, thanks again for watching this video, and I will see you in the next part. And until then, if you're not a subscriber, go down below, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you get notified when I have a video up. I'm going to try and get some live streaming in at some point, so it'll let you know when I do that also, and I will see you all in the next one.